Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to connect TikTok to Facebook Easy Guide. So for us to be able to connect TikTok to Facebook, the thing that we could do in here is to go ahead and paste our TikTok link onto our Facebook profile. And to do so, just go ahead and open TikTok onto your device and click onto profile icon in here to get redirected onto your profile. So once you're already here, just simply click onto your username in here, and as you can see, it is copied already. Now, it's time to go ahead and paste this to Facebook to connect. So let's head onto our Facebook account and make sure that you're logged in onto the right account. Now just click onto your profile icon here, onto the bottom part, and click onto your name in there to proceed. Once you're already onto your profile, simply click on edit profile in there, and you should go ahead and scroll down so that it should give you an option to add in a link. So simply click on add in there, and we're gonna go ahead and add in a social link. So click on add social link. We could choose also the platform for that. Choose TikTok, and then just go ahead and paste it in here, the recently copied username. So just simply click on done. You could choose to public that, click on save, and that is how easy you could go ahead and connect your TikTok account to Facebook. And if you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.